Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Noka Ramadana. I am from PBI2 and today I will retell the video about design elements. In this video, they talk about the use of color. Color is a key part of the success of every project, and it's the most personal and emotional of all elements. Studies have shown that there are patterns in how people respond to color. For example, psychological studies that look at how color affects body temperature, heart rate, brain activity, and emotional states. Fuller states that environmental colors can have a big effect on heart rate and emotional feelings, and he presents research to support this idea. For example, very bright colors, colors with a lot of intensity, especially red and yellow, tend to excite more people, while white or gray will seem to cause the opposite reactions. There are also responses that are learned. Response to the color taught by your cultures. For example, the color that you associate with your holiday or your favorite sport teams. Pink for girls, blue for boys, and that sort of things. People from the same culture often respond to color in the same way. And then other adjacent colors on the color wheel. Warm color like red, orange will be stimulating and dynamic. So they are good for rooms where there will be a lot of activity, or you want to encourage activities like a chill playroom. For example, warm colors are also make the rooms feel psychically warmer. In a letter to his brother, Vincent van Gogh said that yellow is beautiful because it means the sun. This may be a universal association. We associate this color with the sun, so it makes us feel warmth. Cool colors like blue, greens, and violets tend to be soothing. They are related to relaxations and activities that require deep thinking. Cool color also seem to reduce the physical temperature of the room, so you need to use this color carefully. Then they talk about color harmony. So mask color are actually a combination of a color. Now, in this mixture, the dominant color is the main color identified. The nature of color tones is the first step to creating color harmony. Because in general, different colors with similar tones tend to align the best. If the different colors in one speech have different tones, they are not aligned. They make people feel uncomfortable. So, low notes are very important, but you can decide how harmonious you want the room to be. There is a big difference in color palettes and strong colors. Both of these designs are aesthetic and effective, depending on the purpose of the speech and the aesthetic of the people who will use the speech. Joseph Albert, an artist and teacher who studied and wrote a lot about colors, said, in visual perceptions, a color is almost never seen as it really is, as whimsical it is. What Albert that is, the color looks different depending on the environment. What other colors are close, whether there is light, color is whenever we make of it. Okay, I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.